Debian 13 and Ubuntu are closely related, but their design goals are different. Debian is community-driven with a focus on stability and minimalism. It gives you full control, a clean system, and long-term support, perfect for servers and advanced users. Ubuntu, built on Debian, adds a polished desktop experience, proprietary drivers, and easier setup. It includes snap support, pre-installed software, and better hardware compatibility. Ubuntu is ideal for beginners and those who want a ready-to-use desktop experience. Debian is best suited for users who want a lean base to customize. Choose Debian if you value control and reliability. Choose Ubuntu if you want convenience and out-of-the-box usability.